If an SA password for SQL Server is ever lost, then instead of reinstalling SQL Server Management Studio, use the methods mentioned in this video to recover. To recover the lost SA password, the user must have administrator rights. If Windows authentication is enabled in SQL Server Management Studio, use it to connect to the SQL Server. Expand security in the Object Explorer. Under the login, open the properties of the SA user. Provide a new password for the SA user. Make sure that the password for the SA user has been updated. In this method, a user will be created using the command prompt. It will be given administrator rights to modify the SA password. Run command prompt as an administrator. Stop the SQL instance. Restart SQL Server in single-user mode. Open SQL command line. Create a new user for SQL Server. Assign the system administrator role to the user. Close the SQL command line. Restart SQL Server in regular mode. Log into the SQL Server with the newly created user and modify the SA password. Run command prompt as an administrator. Type the first command. Type the second command. This command will update the SA user password